Hi guys, so today we will see which is the best alternative to the wipe coding softwares which you have subscribed a lot. We are paying $25 subscription on monthly basis and getting very few credits like 100 credits for $25. So we can replace wipe coding with this setup GLM 4.7 plus Goose with into the Ultrathink mode, and by choosing our own Tailwind CSS libraries like Framer, Tailwind CSS, and GUI, and all the stuffs. I will be giving you my ultra thinking mode command where I have mentioned particular specific libraries of React framework, Vue framework, and into the backend structure, and how we can push our Goose into the Ultrathink mode and get the maximum output from GLM 4.7. So let's dive into it and let's look how we can do it. So let me give you the first, because I have been using this software for the last 2.5 months. Let me give you some how we can integrate GLM 4.7 and its Vision MCP servers, how we can use Vision model of GLM 4.6V, and how we can integrate multiple extension and MCP servers into this. So I have clicked on settings. I can click on configure providers. There are a lot of providers from the uh, Goose. You can integrate whatever subscription you have, plus right now I'm telling you how we can integrate ZAI. So here I will add the name ZAI, then I will add the API URL which you will get on the Anthropics pages. Let me restore my tab. Okay, so Z can go to my API key list. I can move to my API docs. So this is it. Here we can select language model GLM 4.7. Here I can go to the coding plan, then I can switch to the Cloud Code, and I can select cursor. I can select either cursor guide, where we will get manual configuration. I can click over here and I can get this HTTPS APIs. I will paste this into the description of this video, plus into the comment section. You can just copy from there. So I will copy it. I will go to the Goose. I will click paste it. I will add my API key over here. I can add GLM 4.6. So dash is must. If you mistake into the name of this, you will this module will not work. So GLM-4.6 is V, or else if you want to use GLM 4.7, which is the latest model, you can use GLM 4.7. I can click on create provider, then I can see this ZAI custom ZAI provider is already have been integrated. You can integrate Cloud Code CLI as well. So moving to the back section. So this is how we can integrate GLM 4.7 with the Goose. Now let's explore what is Ultrathink mode, how we can do it. So this is, you can move to this section. You can create recipe by clicking create. I will also give you can add the title, description, and the instructions. So instruction file of this particular which you will get into the description of the video and comment section as well. So let me explain you how I have created the instructions, so you can see the system role and behavioral protocols. I have given the particular role, like you are a senior front-end architect and a one-grade UI designer, uh, and experience of 15 plus. You are master visual hierarchy, white spaces, and UX engineering. Operational directives I have given: zero fluff, stay focus, output first. Then specifically, I have mentioned these details like override brevity. So this is kind of Ultrathink mode, where our GLM 4.7 with the reasoning can get maximum output by using our commands, design and front-end coding standards and the back-end coding standards. So here I have mentioned the stack where modern React View, Svelte or Shadc and Tailwind custom CSS, Transact Query, Transact Router, Framer, Motion, Pixie and Semantic HTML5 Playwright by Microsoft. These particular frameworks we can use while developing. If you are aware of Tailwind, Shadc and Tanstack Router, Framer Motion, these are very beautiful libraries. You guys must go through these libraries. You will get lot of elements into the Tailwind and Shadc. Every element, like from the buttons to the motion, everything is ready over there. AI can just take that particular element and paste the code into it. So this makes our AI's task very easy. Then the response format and Ultrathink is active, and we can save and run this recipe, which is currently running right now. You can see it is running. You can change the project from over here. I can see I can attach file directory. I can see how much token have been utilized by model, uh, and I can see the history as well. So let me go to the history and let me show you, like I have added this from study this project and tell me what can be improved in this project in voice processing. So this is the interactive voice assistant for the students, where they can get uh, this is the offline first interactive assistant. So it has done very beautiful analysis of the project and what is the name and what kind of topics and stack has been used into my project. And by studying my particular project's architecture, it has identified, the reasoning model has identified, as you are aware, Opus 4 GLM 4.7 is very near to the Opus 4.5 in reasoning, and it is competing with Sonnet 4.5 model. So in this much low cost we are getting this much good reasoning, is that is very good point. And the parameters are also there, like lot of parameters are there in GLM 4.7 modules. So we can use this. No emotion detection is there, static voice output is there, no conversational filters are there, slow first response is there, and no context memory is there. So he has recommended me 5 priority based prioritized task, priority 1, priority 2, and let me tell him like implement this plan. So according to the context model, I can see how much token has been utilized my particular model. We have the limit of 128k. I will implement a complete improvement plan starting with the phase 1 quick wins. So this is how Goose works with the GLM 4.7 in Ultrathink mode in very cheap cost, guys. So now Goose is running. It is working, it is thinking basically what to do, it is making changes. We can see the tool details, and so it has updated 1287 characters into the project. So we can if we want detailed descriptions how AI has been thinking, we can change the mode to the detailed description. I have selected the very few description thing, so that's why it's not showing reasoning to me. So it is now figuring out things. It will come up to me with the output. Let me check what is the context window. So I have used 45.7k, that is 36% of tokens. Now it is pre-generate audio cache. It is editing my Python file. So this project is very vast, guys. I have given him the specific task regarding the voice assistant with the real voice and emotions. Now it is working on that particular thing only. So this project has 5 very huge models. As this is the I have developed my own subset LLM in this project, and it is working on the subset LLM plus Whisper TTS is there, and TTS STT engines have been used by me. Cook XTS XTSS has been used into this project by me. So there is a complete architecture. It has explained the architecture as well. Let me show you how he has uh, explained the architecture of the project into the different. So I'm showing this to you guys just because to show you how deeply this understand the code base. Project study session. So you can see over here what is the architecture of my audio pipeline. User speech Whisper STT, user speech visits into the WebM format. By using FFmpeg, it has been converted into the Whisper, like it is passed to the Whisper STT to convert into the text. Then it is passed into the knowledge search, which is a subset LLM by me, developed by me. Then it is transferred to the emotional, the output is transferred to the emotional TTS audio, which is Cook XTTS, and then or PyTTS. These are two I have used. For the fallback I am using PyTTS, and then base 64 wave response has been provided to the users. So this thing has very good understanding regarding the project. So this was working, and now it is editing emotional template to Python. So as you can see, I have got the output. The first phase of the task is done, and very good results are there. Like audio pre-generation system has been developed, emotional enhancement module has been added, implementation plan for 4 pages, the modified files it is showing to me, and the cut performance improvement it has got. Like first response time was 3 to 5 seconds, now it is 0.1 second only. CPU is 80 to 100% last time, now it is 20x reduction to it. GPU is almost 0%. Emotional detection feature has been added by this. Voice naturalness is there. Offline capabilities has been increased by 5% now. So this is complete replacement to the wipe coding software, guys. And how to use plan has been given to him. So definitely this Goose plus GLM 4.7 is worth trying. Try this deadly combination, guys, and let me know how was your experience in the comment section. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.